Hey there YouTube, welcome back to my channel WoodandStuff with another fantastic idea. Today, how do I keep my pool clean, clear, and algae-free all summer long? Well, today I'm going to show you how to keep your pool looking like this. I'm going to share the secrets to crystal clear pool water and show you with 4 easy hacks, cheap and almost maintenance free. So let's get ready and dive right in. Get it? Dive right in. Hack number 1. Let me introduce you to the sponge and the sock. Specifically, you're going to use a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sponge in your pool skimmer along with a pool skimmer sock. This is a dynamic duo and it's fantastic for removing floating debris, iron, and loose algae from your pool water. Now, assembling this dynamic duo is easy. Simply install the sock over the skimmer basket, then drop in the sponge and place the basket back into the skimmer. As the water passes through, the sponge traps and removes iron and algae particles while the sock captures any floating debris. This is an easy and inexpensive way to boost your pool's filtration system and help keep your pool clean. After only 24 hours, look at how dirty that sponge is and how much debris that sock has captured just in my pool. It'll do the same for yours. Now, once the sock gets full like this and the sponge changes color like that, you're just going to swap them out and I'll show you how. So to change this out, you're going to reverse what you did to put it on. You're just going to pull the edges over the edge of the skimmer basket, and then I like to put the sponge inside of the used sock and use it like a garbage bag. And then I'm going to put that all together and just throw it away in the garbage can. Hack number 2, a copper pipe. I know you're asking, why copper? Because copper is a natural algicide and it's very effective in preventing algae growth. And all you need to do this is use a 2-inch long piece of copper pipe or coupling and wire tie it inside of a PVC piece of pipe, and that's going to keep your pool algae free all summer long. Let me show you how we're going to do this. This is easy to get done. All you need is a piece of copper pipe or coupling about 2 inches in length. You're also going to need a piece of PVC pipe 1.25 inches, and you're going to cut that down to 2 inches. Once you have your components cut to size, all you're going to do is place the copper pipe inside the PVC pipe, take a wire tie, insert it in the center of the copper pipe, wrap it around the two, and then wire tie it real tight. Once you've assembled the copper and the PVC, you're going to go ahead and shut your pump off, open up your skimmer basket for your pump, and you're just going to drop it in. Then put the cover back on, seal everything up, and turn your pump back on, and you're just going to let it run all summer. And I promise that this little contraption is going to keep algae out of your pool all summer long. And last but not least, hack number 3, a robot. Let me introduce you to the Dolphin Escape Robot Pool Cleaner. You need this guy to maintain your pool. This little robot is nothing short of a game changer for keeping your pool free of debris without a lot of work. After every swimming session, or after a storm, or whenever your pool just needs cleaning, you just drop the Dolphin robot in. It does all the hard work for you, scrubbing and vacuuming the pool floor and the walls. No elbow grease required. It's super easy and effective, and at around $499 at the time of this video, it's well worth the investment. Trust me, less time cleaning means more time enjoying the pool with your family and your friends. When you need to clean your pool, you just drop him in. When he's done, you pull him out, open up this door, and you pull out this basket that will contain all of the debris that it's captured after it's run its course. It generally takes about 3 hours to operate a full cycle. But when it's done, you just open the door, pull the basket out, and then you just rinse it with the hose. 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. So there you have it, the trifecta of pool hacks to keep your pool clean, clear, and algae free. A Mr. Clean Eraser Sponge with a pool sock in the skimmer, a piece of copper pipe for a natural algicide, and a Dolphin Robot Pool Cleaner for effortless maintenance. These tips will help keep your pool sparkling all summer long. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until then, see you next time here at Wood and Stuff.